Welcome students, this is Murlidhar, lecturer in chemistry. In last class, we have studied alkyl concept and also we did exercise up to pentyl groups we learnt. After having the idea about alkyl groups, we are going to see the other groups like alkynyl groups. Our heading is other important groups which will be oftenly come across during the preparation of organic chemistry. Okay, let me explain what is alkynyl group. So in last class we studied alkyl groups. Alkyl groups are derived or obtained by removing one hydrogen atom from alkanes. Here the case alkynyl, that means we have command about alkenes introduction. How alkynyl groups are obtained or derived means just there is a deficit of hydrogen atom in alkene compounds. That means by replacing one hydrogen atom from alkene compounds, we will get alkynyl groups. See, of course, after alkyl concept, all those are easy to understand, but the learning of organic chemistry should be in a continuous manner without any breakage. See here, alkenes. Here there is a elimination of hydrogen from alkyl compounds. We are getting what? Alkynyl groups. Alkynyl groups. See, I am writing the general formula of alkene is RCH double bond CH2. This is general formula of alkene. Why? Because here hydrocarbon containing double bond, so it is called alkene. Here there is a replacing of hydrogen from particularly the carbons who bind up with double bond. That means here RCH double bond CH bond. Here we remove one hydrogen. That means there is a deficit of one hydrogen. We are getting this type of group. This is called what? Alkynyl group. For example, the general formula of alkene is ClH2n. That means there is a in this compound there is a less by one hydrogen atom. That means ultimately you will get compounds like this CnH2n minus bond. Because alkynyl maybe other groups, they are not individual groups. They are attaching to some other groups. That's why we put here bond. We show here bond. These are not independent groups. Dependent. That means these groups are connected to other functional group like alcohols, halides, all those things. Of course, that we will understand when we study alcohol chapter, alkyl halide chapter in intermediate second year. See here, all of you can know CH2 double bond CH2. So condition you know in alkene H is equal to 3 dash dash. But what about R is equal to HR alkyl groups? Alkyl groups. So here instead of R you take CH2 double bond CH2. This is called ethylene or ethene. Ethylene or ethene. IUPAC name of this is ethene. Here one hydrogen is removed. That means you are getting CH2 double bond CH bond. This is called ethynyl. Ethynyl. Just you remove E, you incorporate YL. That means this is ethene. You are getting ethynyl group. For example, this is ethane. You are in last class we are getting ethyl group. From propane you are getting propyl group. Like that, like this here ethene. From ethene, here there is a going to formation of ethynyl group when we remove hydrogen atom. This is also called vinyl. The common name of ethynyl group is called vinyl. For example, when we have this is Cl, this group contains Cl, then that is called what? Vinyl chloride. Ethynyl chloride and also called vinyl chloride. Okay. I think all of you can know vinyl chloride means VC, and polymerization gives polyvinyl chloride. That is called PVC. PVC, very famous polymer compound, polyvinyl chloride. Okay. See here, I am writing another one CH3, CH double bond, CH2 bond. Just here, you remove one hydrogen here, CH3, CH double bond, CH bond. This is propene. Propene. Here it is called what? Propynyl. Propynyl. Okay. For instance, there is a chance to replace hydrogen here also. Here also, we are getting another type of what is propynyl? This is called CH3, C bond, double bond, CH. CH. This is also called propynyl, no doubt. But we have two different types of propynyl. Two different types of propynyl. Okay. Like this. But among in this concept, among them, very important groups are alkyls. Not so important alkynyl groups and alkynyl groups. Not so important. But alkyl concept is very important. In last class we studied, we completed that. Okay. Even though we remember some important groups, which we will oftenly come across while studying the organic groups. That is vinyl. What this is ethynyl, and the common name of ethynyl group is vinyl. Here this is propynyl, because you remove hydrogen atom from propene compound. That's why you are getting propynyl groups. So like this, we may have some important groups other than alkynyl. Those groups I want to tell you. Please remember, keep in your mind. That help very lot to understand organic in detail. So please you copy down, write down in your class notes. See, we are going to discuss some more important groups in this concept. Those are, see, CH2 double bond, CH bond, CH2 bond. Here also this is a group resulted by remove of hydrogen from this carbon. So this is what this is. This is allyl group. What this is? Allyl group. You remember this allyl group. For example, this allyl group contains OH. That is called what? Allyl alcohol. If this group contains chloride, that is called what? Allyl chloride. Allyl chloride. Moreover, one thing you remember, allyl group belongs to allyl alcohol or allyl group belongs to primary category, secondary category, and tertiary category. Means this is primary category. Sir, how can you justify this is primary? Means, for example, you cannot remove hydrogen from this. Here this carbon contains how many hydrogen atoms? 3 hydrogen atoms. 3 hydrogen atoms carbon is called what? Primary carbon. Types of we have seen types of carbons in alkane system: primary carbon, secondary carbon, tertiary carbon, quaternary carbon. Here primary carbon means carbon whose contain 4 hydrogens or 3 hydrogen atoms around it. That's why it is primary carbon. These hydrogens are primary hydrogens. We are replacing primary hydrogen. That's why you are getting Li group. So Li group is considered as what category of compound? Primary category. Okay, this is the very important point. Okay, then I am writing some more groups here. See C6H5. C6H5. That means C6H5. How you got the C6H5 means just you remove hydrogen atom from benzene system. You know, all of you can know benzene C6H6 benzene. Remove one hydrogen, you are getting C6H5. You write this, you write like this also. C, remove one hydrogen, this one. This is also C6H5. Okay, or some other experts write C6H5 like this, PH bond, or very advancedly we call as this is symbolized with pi bond. Whatever it means, C6H5, benzene, on benzene, just you keep one empty bond, and that is represented with PH bond or pi bond. All these groups are called we call as phenyl. Phenyl groups. Phenyl group. It is called what? Phenyl group. That's why it is represented with pH. Advancedly, very advanced, we show with pi bond. Okay. This is other group you have to remember. Then, after studying this, I may write. I want to show some other groups, important groups. See, CH2 bond. This is called benzyl group. Benzyl group. So, for example, this benzyl group contains OH, benzyl alcohol. Benzyl alcohol belongs to primary category or secondary category alcohol or tertiary category alcohol. This is primary category alcohol because here, just for example, if it contains OH, benzyl alcohol, that is primary compound. How can you say instead of OH, instead of it, before OH, what group is present in this compound is hydrogen. You remove hydrogen and you substitute OH. Before OH, there is a 3 hydrogen atom carbon. 3 hydrogen surrounded carbon atom is called what? Primary carbon. That's why it is called primary alcohol. Of course, we will study in detail under alkyl halides and alcohol chapter. Further, we will study types of alcohols. We have primary alcohol, secondary alcohol, tertiary alcohol. Okay, we don't have quaternary alcohol. Why? Because quaternary carbon means the carbon does not have any hydrogen. Does not have any hydrogen. So there is no replacement of hydrogen. That's why there is no question of tertiary alcohol, tertiary alkyl. Just we have 3 types of alcohol: primary, secondary, tertiary. That's it. If in case of alkyl halides, primary, secondary, tertiary, we will study all those things under those chapters. Okay, this group you have to remember as this group is called benzyl group. Here the main information, this group is called what? Benzyl. And I want to write another one, CH bond. This is called benzyl group. Benzyl group. And I want to write group like this. This is called benzol group. Benzol group. Okay, please. All these are important one. Please you copy down. Note down in your running notes. Okay, so far we have been studying. We have studied different concept of groups. First, we studied alkynyl group. Before that, we have command about alkyl groups. After alkyl groups, we studied alkynyl groups, and after alkynyl groups, we have some specific groups which will come across in learning of process of learning of organic chemistry. These groups, this is C6H5 group, the C6H5 bond, nothing but phenyl group, and the particular groups are benzyl. You remember benzal. So this is YL benzyl. This is benzal. This is benzol. AL OL benzol. For example, if this compound contain chloride group, this is benzyl chloride. If this compound contain ClCl, this is called benzal chloride. If the compound nothing but Cl, nothing but trichloro compound, there are 3 chlorine atoms in aromatic system, aromatic compound, then that is called what? Benzol. So as such you have to remember. And other groups are also there. I write here CH3 C double bond. This is called what? Acetyl group. Acetyl group. Represented with the AC bond. Acetyl group. Okay. Like this, we have C6H5, C6H5, C double bond group. I am writing this group like this. C6H5 means phenyl group. This one. Okay. On phenyl, it contains C double bond group. Both are same. Instead of C6H5, yeah, I am writing ring structure. Okay. This is called what? This is called benzoyl group. Benzoyl group. It is called benzoyl group. See, there is a confusion about benzyl and benzoyl. What the difference present here? Just you have to focus on these two compounds. Here, this is benzyl, YL. This is called what? Benzoyl. Only one English letter is difference. Remember, there is a full confusion. Benzyl, benzoyl. But benzyl group means CH2. Benzoyl group means ring contains CO. Benzoyl. This is called S-type. S-type. This is called benzoyl group. For example, this contains here benzoyl chloride. What we call as benzoyl chloride. For example, there is a presence of Cl in this group, that is called what? Acetyl chloride. Okay. All those are very important and basic information. But there is a confusion and somewhat tough to remember. So you should practice of number of times. Okay. When you have a clear idea about all these groups, there is a very easy to write nomenclature of different organic compounds, common names of different organic compounds. Before we study the physical and chemical properties of that particular organic compounds. Okay, please, all those things are you have to remember. After studying all those groups, we will able to understand very clearly about coming chapters, alkyl halides, alcohols, nothing but aldehydes and ketones. All those things are very easy to move. Okay, let us stop here. The remaining part will continue in the next class. I request you, all the students, please subscribe our video and share to the people who are interested to learn the intermediate chemistry, degree graduation chemistry, and also the candidates who are preparing entrances like NCET, NEET, mains. All these things are very helpful to them. Please, you subscribe and share the video to others. Thank you, Anita.